Good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Feeling lonely? Nothing to worry about. We are here to help you. I'm Sadia Saeed. Welcome to Vibes Changer. Now we'll explain that how you can change your vibes to change your realities. So first we'll discuss about loneliness. That what is loneliness? Because millions of people are suffering from that. But we'll start from the basic, that what it is really. Loneliness is basically sadness because one has no friend or company. I mean, you are looking for some friends or company to talk to get along, to feel sense of belongings and all that, but you didn't find that. So that is basically loneliness. You don't have any friend or company. Simplest words, simplest way of knowing that this is loneliness. Okay, fine. Then come, what are the causes of loneliness? It's the lack of self-esteem, lack of self-confidence. I mean, you are feeling like I am not able to get along with other people because they are somehow better than you, or some other things you think you don't have in your personality, which are stopping you because of your self-esteem and confidence. You can't. I mean, you are not able to connect with others. Then, what are the effects? Effects of loneliness? Of course, it leads to isolation. Isolation that cause, of course, depression. Different, and if you will be in depression for a long time, then different diseases will be there, and then some people are there, in the end they go for suicidal attempts and all that. So it's all interlinked. Like, basically what it is, sadness because one has no friend or company. Only because of this it started, and which is very big thing. And at the same time there are different things to change your vision, which we'll discuss in this video. So if you don't have you don't have anyone to talk to because you don't have friends, or you are unable to make friends because your low self-esteem and low self-confidence, no problem, we'll go for the cure for loneliness. The cure for loneliness, basically it started with even when I started this channel for mental health, I made first video for self-respect. That's why a few days ago I asked you guys to please go through it, because it's the basic point of anyone's personality, to accept yourself, to respect yourself, and to love yourself. If you are starting a life, if you want to change your mental health, if you want to, even in any aspect you want to be in a better way, deal with it and all that, you have to know that what is self-respect. It's the basic, very basic need of one person, one individual. So what is basic self-respect is? Self-respect is you have to accept yourself with your positive and negative points, with your qualities and flaws. Nobody is perfect. I'm not perfect, you're not perfect, nobody is perfect. Those who are even saying that I'm the best one and you're not, no, find out there will be some problem in them. Maybe not physical, mental, maybe not mental, some other issues are going on with them. But nobody is perfect. Nobody can say it's perfect, and beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder, So accept yourself. Nobody has to accept yourself. You have to accept yourself with your flaws, with your positive, negative, both points, with your flaws and qualities, both points. And important thing, you are not in competition with others. I mean, whosoever you are some celebrity, or you are some common person. You are some athlete, or you are some housewife. Whatever you are not in competition with anyone. You are unique, because that's what makes you different from others. If you want to become like them, if you want to be like them, or if you feel inferiority or complex that they are better than you or you can't get along with them, what for? You are a different individual. You are unique. Accept yourself. The things which you are finding outside in among people, that you want sense of belonging and all that, you want some friends and all that, be your friend first. You want people to accept you, then accept yourself first. You have to accept yourself. How? Be the better version of yourself for yourself, not for people. And I have discussed this in detail in my first 2 videos on my channel. If you want to go in detail, you can go there as well. But this is the basic thing. If you want to come out of loneliness, first thing is to accept yourself. Don't ask people to accept yourself. You have to accept yourself. They are not the one who will tell you how you're looking, how you're doing, what you're wearing. It's your likes, dislikes, which you have to accept. What flaws you have, what qualities you have, it's you who needs to accept yourself, not they. Even if they are saying, who cares? You don't have to, you have to ignore them, right? So you have to focus on yourself, that what are you, and you know yourself. They don't need to tell you your self-worth. You are unique and you are one of a kind, and that things makes you different from other. There will be no other person, the one who are listening to me right now, there is no other version of yourself. You have different personality with different like, dislike, different qualities, flaws. You are totally a different person from other, even from me, from others, from everyone, you know. So you are unique. Why you want to become like them? Why you want to come in competition with them? They have their life, you have your life. Enjoy your life, accept yourself, make yourself better, but for yourself, not what others are saying to you or doing bully to you. That all you can go through in my video in the start, which I made in my channel. Okay, if you have self-respect, mainly you will not feel any loneliness, because you know when you are going out, you'll be very confident, because you know who you are, because you know your qualities, flaws, and even you love yourself with both of them. So you don't need anyone confirmation, anyone certificate to tell you whether they want it or not. Main thing is everyone is different. The person maybe you're trying to connect with or something, maybe they're different. Go for the like-minded people, because sometimes even if I sit in some company, I can't go for typical things, certain typical things which normally ladies do, you know, or talk about. I can't, but because I have different mindset, so you have to go with like-minded people, that the way your mind is. Maybe the one you are trying to connect is not of your type, is not the one for you. Don't mind it. Quickly shift to other, find out the other person who is the one who is for you, as a friend, as anything, as in your life you are looking for. Just shift. If you find that someone is not for you, it's not like matching with your mind, shift. You will find the one you're looking for. Don't sit if one person rejects you, even as a friend and all that, because I have this problem, because I'm not better than them. No, you're different. You didn't find like-minded people. You have to go for them and shift quickly. Be adaptable to change. You have to shift quickly. If one is not for you, this one, no problem. They are good. They can have other friends. Shift to next one. You will find the person, the one is meant for you, either as a friend, as a partner, or whatever you are looking for to talk to, or feel. You want to spend time with them. You'll find those. Then after your self-respect comes hobbies. If you are feeling lonely, you can follow your hobbies. We have to learn. First, I will discuss this. Like first, parents, when we are in our childhood, in the starting phase of life, it's parents' responsibility to help their child to find their inner self. Find their inner self mean, when we are bringing them up, we need to know that what psyche they have. Even if we have 100 maids, please be in touch, connect with your child, that what's their psyche is about their mental health. Just be careful about their mental health, be worried about their mental health, that how they are bringing up, like what they are thinking. Their mental health is very important. Each individual is important. We need to know how they are thinking, what they want to become in life. Discuss different things with them while they are growing up, and find out that what they want to become, what's their inner self, how they feel. Because even if my children, all of them are different. One is very, they have different choices, they have different personality, and understand them very well, because we have to know at their level that what their mind is thinking, what they want, what personality they have. This is very important. And what parents' responsibility is, the best parents, to teach them to learn how to live happily with themselves as well. This is the core point, that how to accept themselves as well, the way they are. We have to tell them that you are best, you can come over it, whatsoever problem you are having and all that. And if they are following certain hobbies and all that. Just help them, see what they want to become, encourage them, and make them realize, make them understand that to find inner self, that what you are and what you want to become, what your personality is, and accept it and be happy about it. You don't have to change for others, as long as, of course, we have to teach them kindness, which is first for humanity, and moralities, moral values we have to tell them. These are basic things, of course, which we have to tell everyone along with our children, kids. But please teach them while bringing them up to find their inner self, to know their personality, and make them realize that you're fine like this, even if you are shy, even you are overconfident, and even you are whatsoever you are outspoken, you're introvert, or whatever, you are okay, you're fine. That's what you are. Accept yourself. You don't want anyone's certificate to tell you who you are. This is the first thing you can do to avoid loneliness. Okay, after that, if if parents, they brought you up like that, who helped you that to find your inner self and all that, after that, you will be a different person, of course, from those whose parents are not worrying about their mental health, or not caring about their psyche and all that. Of course, you're different health. But if you have some problem, you brought up in a way where you are unable to find your inner self and all that, then you are feeling loneliness. First thing I've told you, self-respect in detail, that you have to follow. Then after that, hobbies. You can keep yourself busy with different things, because first thing what we have to learn is to accept yourself. This is loneliness is whole. If you want to avoid loneliness, is first thing is to accept yourself and accept how to live happily with yourself first, and then comes people. So for that, first self-respect, then comes hobbies. Hobbies, there are different hobbies. There are gaming, cooking, swimming, then reading, book reading is there, writing is there. Some people even like only sit and watch films. Then some people like to go out and play like tennis. Some people like to do photography. Some people even like to do gardening. Multiple hobbies are there. Find out what you want from your inner self, and in available resources. Don't complain, then I want this best one, then I can do this. Find out available resources for your hobbies or whatsoever you want to do. Start with it, and step by step, you will master it. Whatsoever field you will choose that I want to go in it, you will master it. Then you need to, focus on your inner self. If now you're grown up, if your parents they helped you to find your inner self, and they helped you to let you appreciate your personality, and you're fine with it, and you are okay, and you are not bothered by others' comments, fine. Say Alhamdulillah for that, all thanks. But if not, you have grown up in a way that you are feeling loneliness, or you have feeling like lack of confidence and all that, self-respect. From today, focus on how to respect yourself. Then busy yourself with some hobbies, whatsoever you want to become. For that, focus on your inner self, what you want to become in life. Do we have time for loneliness? Did you ever think that what you want to become, what you want in life? Because our focus is where we are seeing towards different people, what they are doing, how successful they are, how many friends they have, what parties they are doing, and all that, and sitting and feeling, oh, I can't do that. It's not possible. I can't. I can't. Why your focus is on them? Focus on yourself. What you want from your life. You don't have time even for loneliness. You know why? Because you didn't find your inner self. You have to find your inner self, what you want from your life. This is the first thing for positivity as well. This is the first thing for law of attraction as well, right? So what you want from your life. They put first question on in front of you, what you want to become. Could be anything. I told you so many hobbies. Apart from that, even you want to become doctor, engineer, and whatsoever, accountant, and whatsoever field you want to join. Other than these hobbies, you can. But at least you should know. Ask, sit peacefully. Ask this question to yourself, what you want to become in your life. Change your focus from people, what they are doing, to your inner self, to find out what you want from your life. This is the important most question to kill your loneliness. Why? Because if you will be busy with what you want to become, to achieve in achieving your goal, you have no time for loneliness, not at all. And soon what you are, lack of confidence, some people are, I've seen that they are like, they're very much conscious about what they are wearing. Of course, I'm not talking about moral and cultural things that we have to follow, or society rules and all that, but they are very much they are brand conscious or something. They are very much conscious what they are wearing, how they are talking, how they look, and if latest fashion they are doing and all that. For God's sake, respect yourself. You are one of a kind. Your likes and dislikes are different. Your qualities and flaws are different. You are a different person. You are not in competition with anyone. And soon, in this technological era, you will see that soon what matters more is not physical appearance. What matters more will be how intellectual and adaptable to change you are. Because now soon we are entering in, even in this pandemic, you have seen how life has changed, everything is now, we are using different technology and all that, we are interconnected and all that. It will grow with time, and more in the future it will be more how intellectual and adaptable to change you are, right? So leave behind the ways of failures, about thinking others what they are doing, and be adaptable to change, to accept success and the ways like what we can do for ourselves, what we want. Ask yourself and go for it. You don't have time for anything, even not for loneliness and other thing, and not friends. I don't think that people who wants to become something, who have some goal, they have even time for anything. They are really passionate. They want to achieve it, and step by step they follow it, which I have described well in my one of the video on positivity in detail, that you can find out there. So soon in future, what matters more will be how intellectual and adaptable to change you are. Okay, fine. After going all these things, you are feeling loneliness. You want someone to talk to. You want to do catharsis, like you want to open your heart and all that. What do you think? What is the best way to do it? I'll tell you best way to do it, and it's my personal experience as well, that will give you success, that will give you life in this world as well, best life, and the life hereafter as well, if you want best life in both worlds. Connect yourself with your divine. For us is Allah. We believe in Allah. You connect yourself with divine, right? Whatsoever you are feeling, again I have made video in detail how to heal, both for spiritually, mentally, everything, mental health, spiritual health. I made few videos, I explained that, please go through it. But here I will just tell, if we will connect with divine, we can open up our heart there. Because he already knows everything, right? Whether we hide it or not, he already is aware of that, so you can't hide it. Just open yourself in front of him. If you have done something wrong, if you have sinned, if you are not finding some good friend, if you are not successful in your field and all that, each single step, do prayers, ask dua to your God. For us is Allah, like we do with to Allah. That because there nothing is impossible. The one who has made this world, there nothing is impossible, right? For us as well as a Muslim, like kun fayakun concept is there. He just has to he just needs to say be, and it is. And then I made one video on law of attraction as well, that law of attraction is to basically to have faith in the divine, like for us, for it's Allah. You have to have faith in divine, because he has made all this world. For him nothing is impossible, and I have explained thoroughly with proofs that you can see in that video on law of attraction, that how our religion is is based on positivity. Same way, if you will connect with your divine, you'll get everything. If you open your heart there, you will not get exploited like people do. You will not get criticized for your whole life like people do. You will be fine after revealing yourself in front of God, Allah, your divine, that you will feel very peaceful. And whatsoever you'll ask him, right? So he is the one who has to give you everything. None others can help you out in this, and you can't feel satisfaction unless you are connected with your divine. You need to establish your connection with divine. Open up there and just relax. Ask him to help you. You will see and believe, and then definitely he'll help you. So after that come for catharsis. If we see the worldly things, then of course then comes parents, then other relations, then close friends, and it goes on, like the one you trust and all that. Then they come. But I tell you what, best one is to connect with your divine. Open up there. This is the best place. After doing all this, like after focusing on your, accepting yourself, that and loving yourself, that you know that you are a unique person. You don't need other certificate to tell you what you're doing, how you're looking, and all that. And after indulging in so many hobbies, what you want to become, after asking yourself what you want to become in this life and all that, when you got the answer that you have some goal to follow, right? You want to do something in your life, that you will ask yourself. When you want to do something in your life, definitely within available resources you can do it. Don't always wait for the best time or a lot of money to come to start your project and all that. No, just visualize it. You can do it. Just you can start with anything with available resources, and step by step, with step by step, you can reach your goal. For that, you need to see my video and my channel Never Give Up, that you will find in detail what I'm trying to say. But after knowing that what you want to become, you will definitely focus on what you want to become, not on what others are doing, and not what you don't need other certificate to tell you what you do. So you want to do something in your life as well. You want to focus on your goal as well. So do you have time after that for loneliness? Ask yourself. You don't. You have your dream plan to follow, you have your dream goals to follow. How come you can sit and wait for someone to come become your friend, and wait to someone to open up? When you have divine to open up, you can open up in front of your divine, and you will be relaxed, because he's the one who has to give you everything. He's the source who will provide you even for your worldly needs, even whatsoever you want. Just do dua, just do prayers. He's the one who will give you, not people. People, you'll find them more, maybe sometimes they're very good, but sometimes they'll exploit. Sometimes they're very good, but sometimes they'll give you back that thing what you tell them, So it's not people, it's the divine power who can help you. So if you have divine power to open up with and ask your things for, and in the world you have your goals and dreams to pursue, after asking yourself what you want, I don't think each single day you have time to spend or even sit alone or waste or something like that. You have a lot of things to do. You have to follow your passions, you have to follow your dreams, you have to follow your goals. So we don't have time for anything. And when you will follow your dreams, when you will follow your goal, when you will be at peace after opening yourself in front of your divine, believe me, people will die to have friendship with you. You are the one they'll be looking for. You are the one they really want to talk to, because you'll have that inner strength after having divine, and of course after pursuing your goals, because you will be successful, because you have something to do. You are not person who are just sitting and mourning all the time, like I don't have this, I don't have friends. You are a person with intellect. You are a person who's ready to adaptable to change, especially nowadays when technology is in. So I told you it's more about your mind, like how intellectual you are. Soon it's changing. The world is changing. So you will not have time for even loneliness. So what for you have time? What then your life is waiting for is happiness. A happy life is waiting for you. So please, after doing all this, after practicing whatsoever I have explained, go for it, for your happiness, for your happy life. You deserve it. Yes, you who is reading and listening to this video, you deserve a better life. You don't deserve to be a lonely sitting person, whether he or she, the one you are listening. You deserve a better life. You deserve a happy life. that you can do if you'll do self-respect, and if you know how to what your inner self is, what you want to become in life. Believe me, thousands of people really want to be your friends. You will not feel any loneliness. You will not even have time to give all of them, right? Then they will be the one who wants you to please give them time. They need daily appointment from you. So go for it. Go for happy life. You deserve it. Okay, let's change your vibes to change your realities. Let's start from today that we'll take care of ourselves, we'll love ourselves, we'll find our inner self, we'll follow our dream, we'll pursue them really hard. So all people will come to you and you'll have a happy life. You'll not have time for loneliness. Inshallah, you'll be very happy. And do subscribe us for the lifestyle for mental health. Please really take good care of yourself. Have a wonderful evening. Allah Hafiz.